Every writer knows the struggle: typos, grammar slips, and awkward phrasing. But now, AI tools claim to fix it all in seconds. Artificial intelligence can scan your document faster than any human. It spots grammar errors, suggests better words, and even improves tone. But here's what AI still can't do: understand context, emotion, or your voice as a writer. A human editor doesn't just correct words, they shape meaning. AI offers speed. Humans offer sensitivity and style. The future of editing isn't about replacing one with the other, it's about collaboration. Smart authors use AI for quick fixes, and humans for final refinement. Together, they make your writing sharper, smoother, and truer to your intent. As AI evolves, editors will shift roles, from error hunters to creative partners, focusing on storytelling, tone, and emotional depth. So, will AI replace human editors? Not quite. It'll enhance them, and together, they'll redefine the future of publishing. Happy writing!